Hi! Mustamos mga amigos? Nag-pause pa ko, be. Nag-pause ko. Look my attire. What attire is this? Nag-zumba ko. Then, you know it's Sunday, Eastern. So, nag-zumba ko, nag-pause ako. Kasi sakit ako lawas sigsayaw. Mitas nag-pause o video sa ta. Mag-istorya sa ta, ha? So, yeah, because, you know, our body needs to exercise. So, we become healthy. You know, if you want to know, I do my Zumba for 4 hours. Because I mix it dance, cardio. So I have so many dance, cardio, so I do my Zumba for 4 hours. And that is I need for my body. You know, the way you become older, the way you become weak little for your health. So, to make our health will be still good even we are older, we need to eat good food with vitamins that needed in our body, and the second is the exercise. Zumba, no matter what, as far our body will move, whether you walk, jogging, whatever, because that is not good. Our body will only sit and there is nothing to do, because maybe we can be die early, or we can be sick. So to make our long life and with healthy body, we need to give the needs of our body. Don't care the age, because the ages is only the number. Yes, that is true. But ever you become older and you give all the needs, you provide the needs of your body, you still look young. I promise you. Yes, so that's why myself now, I am free time, so I don't need to go out. I'm just stay at home and do my Zumba. But you know, after the exercise, you become hungry. So I need to eat also. Yeah, that is the reality. So I like to maintain my body strong and healthy. Yes, because you know, it's nice to live that you don't thinking that you have problem for your health. Okay, the more you become older, there is a little problem, but problem that can be make it solved. That is not a serious problem that can cause for the death. It's depend how you handle your body and your health. If you don't take care of yourself, that is good for all of us. It's very important to take care of ourselves. Yes, that's true. So And about how are you guys? How are you? You are guys there? Yes, I feel good. I'm relaxed. No stress. No responsibility. Because I don't have kids. And I don't have partner. But it's okay, I love it. I don't want responsibility. I want to be free. I don't want somebody will control me. Yeah, that's my life. So, and this how and after my Zumba, you know what happened? I cook rice and pork. Yes, because after my dancing, I become so hungry, you know. If I don't eat, I don't feel good. I must give the needs of my body. So I feel good. I don't need to be slim so much. I need only normal life, a normal body and average that I can feel good. Yes, I don't need to be sexy. What I can do with a sexy. I am alone, I don't have partner, so I don't need so. The important that I can feel good. That's all that I want. That's why I do. I take care of myself. And guys, already stay. I cannot do the video outside because you know it's you back the cold again here. That is not really summer. Still back in the cold, and most of the people are inside. They relax home because it's Sunday. So maybe during summertime here in Sweden, I can make so much video here to show how nice is here in Stockholm. Yes, maybe I can do that during summer, but not now. So what I can tell you more? Yeah, okay. Somebody asked me in Facebook that if I have planned to look a new partner in life, but I don't know just now. As far I feel now, I enjoy my life being a single. We don't know. I don't know just now. I cannot decide. It's depend how I feel it, if I need it or not. Because you know, I have free in my life, and you know already if you have a partner, you cannot decide yourself. You must ask your partner. So I don't have feeling just now to do like that because I enjoy my life and I can provide the needs of for my living. So not yet decided just now about if we talk about partner in life. Yeah, maybe I can be die. Maybe my partner is already gone. Hello what? Because I don't have feeling just now about that. I'm just only want to enjoy my life being single. Yes, that was always in my mind. Doing things that can make me feel good. Yes, that's all. So, goodbye guys, and I want to dance now. Back again. Just only make a pause for a short minutes. Yes, because that is not good. We don't we don't do pause for you only dancing and dancing, because I don't feel good like that. I need a pause, a few minutes in order to relax little before I do the next dance. Yes, that's my style, but I don't know the other how they do that. It's depends how you feel of the body. So you must listen how you feel it, so that you cannot feel bad or yeah, that's it. So bye for now, and see you next update wherever I am. So bye bye. Take your time. Bye.